Hi, Old Sneelock here, down at the dam site. This is Monday, April 26th, and they have one whole side raked out. Still got a little bit of a pile there in the middle. Looks like they're trying to get that taken care of. They've got the backhoe over there where they've been spreading dirt on the hillside. I don't know if they're going to be putting more riprap down the side of that embankment there. This side, they've put it up to the little barrier. The other side looks like the barrier's up higher. I would imagine they're going to put it up at least as high as the predicted high water mark. That bunch of stuff there probably is going to get pulled out. That would undermine the riprap with all those roots and trees and everything in there. So at least the two along the bank are going to go. There's nothing over here, and this used to be pretty heavily wooded. Looking good. Very pleased. Not like I'm an inspector or anything. Not like my opinion matters. But it does look nice. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.